What? I'd never seen black monitors here. Oh. That's the button I have too. That's TR. Oh god. What is this? This is the service. Oh my god. Oh. The hell did I just stumble into? This is hydraulic. Oh my god. Oh, these people. I think I got in the wrong elevator. Oh shoot, yep, I did. I can't get off down here.
That's alright, it's alright. One push over now.
Where are you guys going? One?
What you want, right?
Oh shoot, yes.
You're good. So
Yeah, where are you going?
first place. Numero uno.
Got it. Yes.
¿Con qué estaba peleando? No, yo no estaba peleando, ¿no?
Yo vi que estaba ahí discutiendo. No sé con qué que estás hablando, no sé de qué.
No, tal vez no era yo.
Bien era.
No, que yo no soy. No,
That's original, I believe.
no, yo estaba quizá.
Discutiendo.
¿Era que
con-
era hablando con Julio que yo estaba?
Ah, con Julio.
Ay, que te volvió loco.
There you go.
Alright.
Thank you.
First floor, you're welcome.
Alright, thank you. That's alright, alright. Thank you, thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a good journey.
Thank you. Silver's definitely seen its better days. This one's got a GAL button. Alright, we'll go back down to one. This elevator is kept original. The other one, wow, that was a drop. It's kept mostly original, at least the interior is, from when it was an Armor. At least I think this is an Armor. The floor is so worn away. Alright, let's get the heck out of here. Shouldn't be on this elevator. It's a service. That's a replace call button. There it goes. And that's it.